Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Black and white tayo ngayon. Just plain and simple, yes or no. Ngayon, ang pag-usapan natin is about paano kunin ang loob ni amo. I'm not a counselor, I'm not an advisor, I'm not any of those professionals things. Based on experience lang po. For me, you don't have to do anything super special. You just have to be organic. Gawin mo lang yung tama yung trabaho mo. Just do what they want. If they want you to run 1 mile, then give them 2 miles. Love their kids. Pay attention to their wants and needs. Tsaka yun lang, super simple. Hindi mo na kailangang magsipsip, hindi mo na kailangang kausapin lagi yung amo mo, hindi mo na kailangang ano pang super extra dyan. Gawin mo lang yung tama yung trabaho mo, yun lang. Kung ano yung gusto nila ng 50, gawin mo yung 70. Gusto nila ng color, gawin mong multicolor. Yun lang, wala nang iba pang mga sibuyas, mga garlic, ano pang mga abubot na ano mo. Hindi mo na kailangan yun. Just do the right thing. Just be organic. Just be who you are. That's it. Makikita nila yun kahit hindi mo sabihin. Hindi mo kailangang matakot na mawala ng amo kung ginawa mo yung tama yung trabaho mo at saka alam mong sa sarili mo you did your best. That's it. Kung ano man yung storya mo, share nga. Sige, sabay tayo.